next change we're going to do is we're going to put a Canon filter in it so it can breathe a little bit better. This is a recharge filter. You recharge with their kit, their oil, clean it off the oil, and you recharge it with oil. Yeah, pretty cool. But I'm going to replace that, and that's right here. So let's get started on this. Maybe the other one had it, they just never installed it. I didn't notice it. But yeah, we're gonna see how that just dropped right in there. Canon. Got a nice rubber top. Alright. That was my first mod. Well, actually besides my cell phone holder on my handlebar. Wait for that video. I'll get a little video on that coming out. That's the first mod to the bike, was the air filter. So let's place this back down on there. And honestly, there's all kinds of air filters that you can get for this. Those Aussies down under, tell you what, because of their crazy conditions, they've come up with some really, I don't know how you'd say it, aggressive air filters. I guess that's the best way to put it. I mean, those things are real aggressive. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to save that filter, and if and when I was ever to get rid of this bike, I would give it to the new owner. Let him decide. Does he want to clean a filter, or does he want a disposable filter? Alright, that's the first mod. Second